Deep beneath the ocean's surface lies a vast abyss teeming with rare and remarkable deep-sea creatures, from large, spindly crabs to surprisingly cute octopuses. Scientists estimate that up to 91% of marine species have not been identified and that more than 80% is unmapped and unobserved. Let's explore the wonderfully weird animals that inhabit the depths of the sea. The Japanese spider crab, scientifically known as Macrochira kempferi. This species is the largest known crab, boasting the largest leg span of any crustacean, reaching up to 12 feet from claw to claw. Resembling an oversized spider, this crab is not a fierce predator despite its size. Instead, it uses its long, spindly limbs to leisurely stroll across the seafloor, scavenging for dead and decaying matter. Interestingly, young Japanese spider crabs sometimes decorate themselves with sponges or kelp, possibly to camouflage from predators. The flapjack octopus, scientifically known as Opistoteuthis californiana. This species is known for its adorable appearance, with large eyes and short webbed arms, complemented by ear-like fins on its mantle. The flapjack octopus spends most of its time on the seafloor, where it can lay flat and resemble a pancake, which is how it got its name. When it needs to move, it swims or hovers above the seafloor by flapping its fins and pulsing its webbed arms, making it look more like a pulsating jellyfish than an octopus. Unlike many shallow-water octopus species, the flapjack octopus doesn't have an ink sac and can't change its color for camouflage. The sea pig. The sea pig, scientifically known as Scotoplanes globosa, is a type of sea cucumber found in deep ocean waters. This odd-looking but endearing creature has tube feet on its underside, back, and around its mouth. Sea pigs spend their days rooting through the muddy sediments on the sea floor, feeding on dead algae and animals that have fallen from above. When something large, like a whale carcass, sinks to the sea floor, large gatherings of sea pigs come together to feast on the nutrient-rich sediments. Interestingly, sea pigs might serve as deep-sea babysitters. Researchers at the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute often observe juvenile lithodid crabs, climbing on or hiding under sea pigs, possibly to protect themselves from predators. The giant isopod, scientifically known as Bathynomus giganteus, is a large crustacean that lives in the deep sea. These roly-poly deep-sea creatures resemble their distant relatives, the tiny pillbugs commonly found in gardens. However, a key difference between the giant isopod and the garden variety pillbug is its size. Giant isopods can grow up to 16 inches long. This enormous crustacean slowly roams the seafloor, feeding on dead animals. Found in deep, cold waters, giant isopods can withstand depths of over 7,000 feet. The sea angel, scientifically known as Cleone limacina, is a type of small swimming sea slug with transparent bodies and graceful flapping wings that give them a celestial appearance. Inhabiting the cold waters of the deep sea, these modified gastropods have evolved their muscular foot into wing-like appendages for powerful swimming in open water, and they have lost their shells. Despite their angelic look, sea angels are fierce predators. They use their radula and tentacles to pull other swimming snails from their shells and devour them. Their exclusive prey is Cleone limacina, a species of shelled pteropods that is expected to be negatively impacted by climate change and ocean acidification. Despite its name, the giant larvacean, also known as Bathochordaeus charon, is less than 10 centimeters or 4 inches long. However, this small, free-swimming invertebrate is an incredible mucus architect. Giant larvaceans construct elaborate structures from slimy mucus, creating snot palaces that can reach up to 3 feet across. They use these structures to catch food from the marine snow drifting down from above. If the mucus filter gets clogged, the giant larvacean can quickly abandon it and build a new one. The discarded mucus house sinks to the seafloor, providing essential food and nutrients to other deep-sea animals. The bloody belly comb jelly, scientifically known as Lampoctis cruentiventer, is renowned for its striking red coloration. Shaped like a heart and colored deep crimson, This jelly is covered in tiny cilia that beat continuously, propelling it through the water. When light hits the cilia, it refracts, creating a sparkling display. Ironically, in the depths where this jelly lives, its red color makes it nearly invisible to predators, as red light disappears in the dark, deep-sea habitat. Biologists believe that its red gut helps hide bioluminescent prey, which, if still glowing, could attract predators and turn the jelly into a meal. The anglerfish, belonging to the order Lophiiformes, is famous for its bioluminescent lure. These fierce-looking deep-sea fish have a rod-like appendage growing from their snout, with a small organ at the tip containing millions of light-producing bacteria. This fishing rod casts a glowing blob of light just above the anglerfish's mouth, serving as a perfect lure to attract curious prey. The anglerfish then simply waits for an unsuspecting fish to swim by. In the deep sea, where prey is scarce, this fishing strategy helps anglerfish conserve energy while hunting. Another mind-blowing fact about these toothy fish: in some species, a tiny parasitic male latches onto the much larger female with his teeth and is gradually absorbed into her body. Their skin and blood vessels merge, and many of his organs disintegrate. The male then receives all his nutrients from her blood. Eventually, the female can use what remains of her mate to reproduce and spawn her eggs. The giant Siphonophore, also known as Praia dubia, is a colonial organism that can reach lengths of up to 130 feet, 40 meters. Its long, rope-like form drifts through the deep ocean. Like all Siphonophores, Praia dubia is a collection of highly specialized working parts. Some parts catch prey, others digest food, some parts handle reproduction, and others direct movement by swimming. This Siphonophore is bioluminescent, producing its own light. When it bumps against something, its stem emits a bright blue glow, illuminating the dark waters around it. A remarkable survival mechanism in the abyss, where light is scarce and danger lurks in every shadow. Deep in the ocean's twilight zone, where sunlight barely penetrates, lives one of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth. It's a fish unlike any other, a living enigma of the deep sea. Meet the barrel-eye fish, scientifically known as Macropinna microstoma, a creature so strange it seems almost alien. Its most striking feature is its transparent head, through which its eyes are clearly visible. These eyes are tubular in shape and point upwards, allowing the barrel-eye to look for bioluminescent prey in the darkness above. But that's not all. The barrel-eye can actually rotate its eyes to look forward when it's time to feast. It's a truly unique adaptation to its extreme environment. Living at depths of around 600 to 800 meters, the barrel-eye is rarely seen alive. Most of what we know about this fascinating creature comes from studying its dead bodies. However, recent advancements in deep-sea technology have allowed scientists to capture incredible footage of live barrel-eyes. The barrel-eye fish is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet, and a reminder of the mysteries that still lie hidden in the depths of our oceans.